consumption of alcohol and the use of electronic cigarettes, electronic pipes, personal vaporizers or any other similar devices are strictly prohibited on all AirAsia India flights. Smoke detectors are installed in all the lavatories. We look forward to your feedback on the form we will be sending to your registered email ID and phone number. If you have any other grievances, please do share these with the nodal officer or appellate authority. For their details, please visit our website www.airasia.co.in or log on to www.airseva.gov.in. Thank you and have a great flight.